everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon here on YouTube and on Instagram, and today I am going to be showing you a few things that I like to meal prep in my electric pressure cooker. So today's video is actually in partnership with Cosori. They sent me this electric pressure cooker to try out with you guys and give you my honest opinion. We did want to let you know that this pressure cooker is currently on sale today for $20 off. So it's normally $79.99 and today it's $59.99. So I will have a link in the description box of this video that you can click on and check it out. And if this is something that you've been wanting to buy anyway, definitely check it out today because it's on sale. So it's got the manual here, and this is the 6-quart. And then it's got recipes, which is always super fun. So if you have been wanting to get one, but you're not sure what to do with it, wow, baby back ribs, chicken taco filling. This is one thing that I was really excited about. I don't have this for my other pressure cooker, whose name we won't mention. This is really cool. You can buy this separately from my other one, but to have it come with it is really nice because then when you do the slow cooking option, you can use this. You can't use, and you can use it for like saute. You can't use it for pressure, obviously. If you're pressure cooking, you're not gonna be able to use this. But then you can see what's going on in there without having to take the lid all the way off. It's pretty, right? So pretty and modern looking. So here's the little measuring cup. And then this is for like the liquids that might come out the side. And then they have their little stirring utensils. This is another thing that's really cool. You get an extra little sealing ring. So if your other one down the road gets icky, it'll be all right. And then this is also something that I didn't have with my other pressure cooker. This is your steaming basket. So you could do broccoli, carrots, potatoes, whatever you want with this. My other one had like a rack, but it didn't have like this that you could have for like vegetables. There's small pieces. Okay, so here's the inner pot. There we go, there's the inside. It's just real simple, there's the heater. So everything feels really sturdy and good quality, so that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and wash out the pot, and then I'll be right back. So the first thing I'm gonna make in here is gonna be some hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and use their recipe, but I'm gonna make a dozen. So first I'm putting in this basket. I just put 2 cups of water in. Okay, here we have our dozen eggs, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put this under here, and you just press it in. There we go. I have a little helper over here. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it around, and then we're gonna plug it in. Are you up here? Okay, there we go. Now it's plugged in. Okay, so now we are going to steam, and it says 6 minutes, so we're gonna cook time down, okay, and then start. There we go. Oh, that's so fun. Look at it going around. Isn't that cute? Do you think that's cute? Can you say cute? Okay, so I think because it's going around, that means it's like heating up. It's not going yet. So when it's going, it'll probably beep. I don't know if you could see this here, but it's starting to have steam come out the top. There we go. So now it's at full pressure, and in just a minute it should start counting down. So it's cooking, so we'll come back in 6 minutes. So the timer just went off, so I'm going to release the steam now. So here we go. I'm going to transfer the eggs to ice bath. Gotta say, this is like the perfect scooper. So it's only been cooling off for a couple of minutes. My kids are getting impatient, so we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. Normally I would run this underwater. It makes it even easier, but honestly, this is super easy. And there you go. I'm still going to rinse it off, but that is pretty awesome. Area 1 has been ruined, and so you can just slice this up and put it on top of a salad. You can make egg salad sandwiches, deviled eggs, lots of options here. Now I'm gonna make make these black beans. I have everything I need, and I'm gonna use broth instead of water. Okay, we got all the ingredients in here. We're just gonna stir it up, put the lid on. Pressing beans and chili. Pressing the adjust button so it goes some more high, and then we're pressing start. It cooked for 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and release the steam. And there we go. So I let it sit for 10 minutes before releasing the pressure. Cilantro lime rice recipe. I used basmati rice. Ooh, it's looking good. They said to wait at least 5 minutes. It's been about 20 actually. So I just made a roast. I let it natural pressure release for a bit, and then I flicked it over. Just be careful when you flick it over, because obviously steam's gonna be coming out of there. So now, check it out. Ooh, it's steamy. Can you see? There it is. Ooh, yes, yummy chuck roast. So I did this for about 70 minutes on manual, and then let it chill out for a little bit, and then I took the lid off. But there's just onion in there with a little coconut oil first, and then I browned it on either side, and then manual for 70 minutes, and it has 2 cups of beef broth in there as well. So I'm gonna make a gravy with that and eat it probably with potatoes or rice and some veggies. Yum! So I just made some red potatoes. I steamed them with 1 cup of water. I did potatoes here, and then I pressed adjust, and then I put it down to low, and then I pressed the start button. And then, so it has to get up to pressure, so that takes about 10 minutes. And then it cooks for 10 minutes, and then you release the pressure and open it, and here we go. So I'm gonna make this into some mashed potatoes. All right, just steamed some corn for 2 minutes on high pressure. Quick release. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you're on YouTube, and subscribe to see more like this. If you're on Facebook, please follow my page and like it as well. Don't forget to check the link in the description box to see the sale price for this pressure cooker today. Thank you to Cosori for partnering with me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.